Hello again, everyone. Welcome back to English Cat. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Tom. This is it, the final episode of our special series, Life in America Explained.
It has been quite a journey. We have talked about finding jobs, renting apartments, and eating turkey on Thanksgiving.
But, Sarah, we still have some very important questions left. We need to talk about love, medicine, and slang.
You are right. These are the things you need for daily survival. Today, we will learn how to go to the doctor, how to date in America, and how to speak like a local using slang.
Listeners, this is the final piece of the puzzle. Let's get started. Sarah, in part one, we mentioned that healthcare is expensive. But let's say I get a cold or a headache. What do I do? Do I go to the hospital?
No, please don't go to the hospital for a cold. That will cost you thousands of dollars. For simple problems, you go to the pharmacy.
Like a chemist's shop?
Yes, in America, big pharmacy chains like CVS or Walgreens are everywhere, and they are interesting places. They don't just sell medicine, they sell milk, chocolate, makeup, and even greeting cards.
That is convenient. Now, I often hear two terms, OTC and prescription. What is the difference?
This is crucial vocabulary. OTC stands for over the counter. This is medicine you can buy without a doctor's permission, like aspirin for a headache or syrup for a cough. Prescription medicine is strong medicine, like antibiotics. You cannot just buy it. A doctor must send a note to the pharmacy authorizing you to have it.
I see. So for a cold, I buy OTC medicine. What if I am really sick, but it is not an emergency?
Then you go to urgent care.
Urgent care? Is that a hospital?
It is like a mini clinic. It is cheaper and faster than a hospital emergency room. You go to urgent care if you cut your finger or have a bad fever. You only go to the ER, emergency room, for life-threatening situations.
That is a very important distinction. Knowing the difference can save you a lot of money. Okay, let's switch to a more romantic topic, dating.
Oh boy, dating in America can be complicated, even for Americans.
Let's start with how people meet. Is it mostly through friends?
Traditionally, yes, but today, dating apps are the most common way to meet. Apps like Tinder, Hinge, or Bumble are very normal.
Okay, so I match with someone on an app. We decide to go on a date. What do we do?
A typical first date is low pressure. Usually, you meet for coffee or a drink. Dinner is a bit formal for a first date.
Now, the big question everyone asks, who pays the bill?
This is changing. In the past, the man always paid. Today, it is common to split the bill or go Dutch.
Go Dutch means everyone pays for their own meal, right?
Exactly. However, a good rule of thumb is whoever asks pays. If I invite you to dinner, I should pay. If you invite me, you pay.
That makes sense. Now, I have heard about dating versus relationship. Are they different?
Yes, this is very confusing for foreigners. In America, you can be dating someone, but not be in a relationship yet.
What? How is that possible?
We call it seeing someone. You might go on dates with a person for a month or two, but you are not officially boyfriend and girlfriend yet.
So you can date other people at the same time?
Technically, yes, until you have the talk.
The talk?
It is a conversation where you agree to be exclusive. That means you promise not to see other people. Once you are exclusive, then you are in a relationship.
Wow. In my country, if we go on 3 dates, we are automatically together. Americans really like to define things clearly. To live in America, you need to speak like an American. School textbooks teach us formal English, but people on the street speak differently.
That is true. Let's learn 3 or 4 slang words that everyone uses daily.
Number 1. I hear this all the time. My bad.
My bad is a casual way of saying, I am sorry, or that was my mistake.
It is very useful for small mistakes. What about bummed?
Bummed means sad or disappointed, not depressed, just a little sad.
Okay, what about rain check?
This is a classic idiom. A rain check is a polite way to say, I can't do it now, but I want to do it later.
So if someone invites me to dinner, but I am busy,
You say, I'd love to, but I have to work. Can I take a rain check? It shows you're still interested in seeing them.
and finally, a very common greeting. What's up?
Yes. When someone says, What's up? They are not asking a real question. They're just saying, Hello.
So how do I answer? Do I tell them what I am doing?
No. You usually just say, Not much, or Hey.
Sarah, we have talked about America as one big thing, but is life the same everywhere?
Not at all. The US is like 50 small countries combined. The culture changes depending on the region.
Can you give us a quick example?
Sure, let's compare the South and the Northeast, like New York. In the South, people are known for Southern hospitality. They speak slowly, they are very polite, and they say ma'am and sir. In the Northeast, people are fast. They walk fast, talk fast, and are very direct. They might seem rude, but they are just busy.
And the West Coast, like California?
The West Coast is known for being laid back. That means relaxed and chill. The dress code is casual, lots of t shirts and jeans.
So, listeners, remember, the America you see depends on where you go. Well, Sarah, we have reached the end of our guide.
We covered so much. We learned about the 9 to 5 work culture and expensive colleges. We learned about Thanksgiving turkeys and landlord leases. We learned about pharmacies, dating apps, and saying, my bad.
Living in a new country is never easy. It takes time to understand the rules.
Exactly. But Americans generally welcome newcomers. We are a nation of immigrants, after all. If you are polite, work hard, and try to speak English, you will do great.
We hope this series helps you understand the movies you watch and the news you read.
And more importantly, we hope it helps you achieve your dream of visiting or working abroad one day.
Before we say goodbye, let's review today's key words.
First word, OTC, over the counter.
Medicine you can buy without a doctor. I bought some OTC medicine for my headache.
Next, urgent care.
A clinic for injuries that are not life-threatening. He cut his hand, so he went to urgent care.
Next, go Dutch.
When everyone pays for their own meal on a date. Let's go Dutch tonight. I will pay for my pizza.
Next, exclusive.
In a relationship with only one person. After 3 months of dating, they decided to be exclusive.
Finally, rain check.
Rescheduling plans for a later time. I'm busy tonight. Can I take a rain check?
Thank you for listening to English Cat. If you listened to all three parts of this series, your listening skills are definitely B2 level or higher.
Please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Tell us which part of American life is the most strange to you. Is it the tipping, the dating rules, or the guns?
We didn't even mention guns. Maybe that is a topic for another day.
Indeed. Take care, everyone. Keep practicing.
Bye bye.